Hi, I am Suhan, and in today's video we are gonna talk about hip sort. And I want to say you that if you need an in-depth description of hip sort, then you can leave this video, as I am not going to talk about hip sort. I am only going to share my code of hip sort. And many of them ask that why you don't talk about hip sort, or why. As I know how to implement hip sort, and I also know the advantages and disadvantages of hip sort. Mainly, hip sort is used when we need memory efficient code, or you can say that memory is the precious one, as hip sort is slower than merge sort and quick sort in general usage. As when we talk about big O, we cut out the constants and make it round off, so we don't see there. But in the real life scenario, it is not about rounding off or doing. Every second matters, and because of it, merge sort and quick sort are faster, in which quick sort is the fastest and merge sort comes in between. And if we talk about the stability of these three sorting, then only merge sort is stable. Means if two similar elements are there, then their positioning is not changed. And in hip sort, it may be changed, so it is not good for that. And also, hip sort is in place, but here quick sort is also a in place algorithm, so there is no difference. And in real life scenarios, you will see that many of them are using quick sort or merge sort, or any other kind of merge sort or quick sort which is modified according to their use. But you will not find hip sort in most of the cases. Hip sort is variable in some cases, and yes, in that cases we will definitely use hip sort. So I am sharing my code of hip sort so that you can go through it, and it's a easy code. I implemented hip sort in two methods, one from scratch and which you can use in any language, and the other is HipQ by using HipQ, which is an package of Python. So both of the methods are right, and you can use both of them. And don't worry for pausing the video and seeing the code, as I will post it on GitHub in my sorting algorithm repository. You can go there and check it. I want to say that generally when you use hip sort or something like that in Python, then you will always be using HipQ. I have solved many LeetCode questions using hip sort, and always I find that the best solution is not from scratch, it's from using HipQ, as Python is generally or known for the packages which it is. But for the study purposes, you should know how hip sort works from scratch. So you can view this code, and it's easy, as in hip sort what we are doing is we have two functions, all the two primary functions and other are the supporting functions. In this, hip sort is the primary function, and also hippy is the second primary function. Now hippy makes the array or the heap right, and hip sort performs all the actions in it. If you go through the code and still you have doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. I can call you, or I can solve your question in the comment section, so don't worry about it. Thanks. Signing out, Suhan.